Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Central Woods Harbour is a small coastal community located in Shelburne County, Nova Scotia, along the province's South Shore. It forms part of the larger Woods Harbour area, a region known for its strong connection to the fishing industry and the Atlantic Ocean. The population of Central Woods Harbour is relatively small, with a few hundred residents living in the immediate area, while nearby communities are closely connected through work, family, and shared services. The history of the area dates back to the late 18th and early 19th centuries when settlers established fishing and farming communities along the coast. The sheltered harbor provided a safe location for fishing vessels, helping the community develop around the marine economy. Over time, Woods Harbour grew into one of the important fishing centers of southwestern Nova Scotia. Fishing remains the backbone of the local economy. Many residents work in lobster fishing, ground fish harvesting, seafood processing, marine transportation, and fishing support industries. Lobster fishing is particularly important and continues to provide employment for a large number of families throughout the area. The harbor remains active and supports both commercial fishing vessels and related businesses. The surrounding coastline is one of the area's defining features. Rugged shorelines, small islands, protected coves, and fishing harbors create the landscape that has shaped life here for generations. Residents enjoy easy access to boating, fishing, kayaking, and other outdoor activities that take advantage of the region's coastal setting. The broader Woods Harbour area is known throughout Nova Scotia for its commercial fishing fleet. Fishing vessels regularly leave the harbor to work the rich fishing grounds of the Atlantic Ocean. Seafood harvested from the region is shipped to markets across Canada, the United States, and around the world, making the industry an important contributor to both the local and provincial economy. Community life in Central Woods Harbour reflects the traditions of a working coastal village. Local schools, churches, community organizations, and recreational activities help bring residents together. Family ties often run deep, with many residents tracing their roots in the area back several generations. Housing in Central Woods Harbour remains relatively affordable compared to many other coastal communities in Canada. Average home prices often range between $180,000 and $350,000, although larger waterfront homes and properties with ocean views may sell for higher amounts. This affordability continues to attract retirees and people seeking a quieter lifestyle. Today, Central Woods Harbour remains a community deeply connected to the sea. Its fishing heritage, strong local economy, coastal scenery, and close-knit atmosphere continue to define life in this part of Nova Scotia.
Thanks for watching!